Hi, welcome back to Ashley RS Guy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a top end rebuild on an Aprilia RS125. I have done this job off camera, but I've put it back together to show you on camera, so a few things will be done. I've drained the coolant already, which all you have to do is just loosen off the hose clamp, pull the hose clamp off the bottom of the radiator and drain into a drain pan. So let's get started. So to start off with, we need to loosen off our tank bolt, which is just a 10mm. Try not to drop the nut. So I'm just going to pull the tank off now. The next thing we need to do is we need to undo the airbox and take it apart so we can get it out. So there will be 4 bolts, one that actually thread into the frame, and there'll be 2 with nuts underneath. I've taken the ones out with nuts, so just to speed the process up a little bit. So those are those 2 out. That's an 8mm socket. So just take this apart. And then now we need a Phillips head screwdriver to undo the clip down there. So just pull that off, and that's that. So now we need our Phillips head screwdriver again, so we can undo the carb. Just loosen that off. So now we're going to remove the now we can just pull the power valve out and just place it out of the way. So now that we're here, we need to remove these exhaust springs so that we can drop the exhaust to take the cylinder head off. So just a pair of pliers. So now we've done that, we can just pull the exhaust away and drop the exhaust, just like that. So now we've done that, we need to remove the spark plug. So now we've done that, we can actually start undoing the bolts for the cylinder. So we'll need a 13mm. I think these are finger loose because, like I said, I did take it apart again. So there's 4 to undo. There's just one down here as well. It'll be the same on each side, so I won't show you all of them. So that's that one off. So I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. So yes, so we are going to take the whole lot off in one. Instead of stripping it down now, we will strip it down later. It's just easier to do it in this way. This is the way I do it anyway. So now, if I've done everything right, we should be able to just pull it off. So that's that. So it hasn't got a base gasket on it because, like I say, I have taken this apart before. So that's that. So now what I'm going to start doing is putting some tissue round so that we don't drop the circlip into the bottom end, because that would be cases split and a big headache. So you don't want to do that. So what you will need now is preferably a little pick. I don't seem to have one, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, but please don't use one really. This was what I was trying to get out. So you only need to take out one side, and then when you take this out, just push the gudgeon pin out. Pull that out and take the piston off. So now we've done that, I'm just going to start taking apart the barrel. So take the reed block off. This is a 5mm Allen key. Yeah, so when we send this off, we have to make sure everything is taken off. So it's just the actual barrel itself, or cylinder. This is probably a good time to check your reeds as well while you're doing all this. I'll show you how to do that. So that's the inlet manifold, and then your reeds. So with your reeds, most obvious things to look for, make sure there's no splits, cracks, anything in the, and then you will look through them and see if you can see daylight. If you can see daylight, they're not sealing properly, so you probably need to replace them. But yeah, that's that. So that's the reed block taken off. So now we're going to take the water jacket and the cylinder head off. Sorry about that. So that's the water jacket off. And now we need to take the cylinder head off. So these are a 13mm. Lucky guess. So now we can take the cylinder head off. So that's that. So now we've got just the bare cylinder. So what we need to do now is take this gasket off. We need to remove the bit that the exhaust goes onto. So I'll just get a hand key for that. That wasn't very good, that was loose, so that's one thing I need to check. This could do with a clean up as well, which I'm going to clean the actual cylinder before sending it off. So I'm sending it off to PJ, which probably a lot of you might know of. They are going to re-hone it and match a piston to it and then send it back to me. So now I've done all that, I'm going to just clean this off camera and then I'll come back to you when all the new parts come.